WD-40 is the best thing for a sticky lock. I've got a key that doesn't work anymore, and all I have to do is spray in some WD-40. Really want to flutter with WD-40. You got to get that WD-40 all the way in there. You got to be patient. Your arm might get tired while you're spraying the WD-40. Really get it in there. Takes time to penetrate, so you don't want to skimp on the WD-40. Get it all the way in there. All right, I think she's almost there. All right, we're still doing good. This is a 12-ounce can. You're not going to run the risk of running out of WD-40 while you're getting it in there. You know, you want to make sure you're not applying too little WD-40 in there. Got to be patient when you're spraying in that WD-40. You know, and your fingers get tired too, and you want to shake it up. Oh yeah, now you're getting that foamy WD-40 in there. Yeah. You want to make sure you're really coating those pins and springs. All right, like a keg, it's probably going to get a little frothy. All right, we're about empty. You can hold on to that. He's a little bored. And wouldn't you know it, look at that. The key is smooth as butter.